To my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we're a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So guys, I am going to try and finish up my Christmas shopping. Oh my goodness guys, as you can see, there's nobody in the car with me. Oh my goodness, if you don't have young kids, you don't understand what this little freedom feeling feels like. Oh, shit. I'm almost running out of gas guys, so I'm gonna pull up to get some gas. It is 1:51. Me always run out of gas when it is expensive. Car dirty like on all those carts that Michaela drew. Okay, yes, I can't afford any other gas. Okay, make us right there. Okay, it jump at 65. It's a little like when we just swim a little bit. Okay guys, now that my tank is full, I'm heading to the mall. I want to finish my Christmas shopping today, okay? Because I haven't started wrapping and I need to get going on that, like seriously. Yes guys, I'm trying to get to the highway. Oh my goodness, the snow is finally here to stay. And if I made that in a red zone, no matter what time of the day you come to Tanger Outlet, there is never ever any parking. Oh my goodness, and people say they don't have money, but why are there so many vehicles here? Oh my goodness guys, today I am alone, all by myself, okay? No Pitney, no baby, nobody. I'm all by myself. So guys, Bath and Body Works have a lot of sale going on, like $5.99. This was one of my favorite in the store today. The Paris, Emily in Paris, it smelled like really good, and so that is on my wish list, of course. And I also checked out some more cream and lotion and stuff like that, and their candles, more body sprays. But I'm telling you guys, as you can see, each of these items are $5.95. So come on down and get sweet. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to perfume for you. I'm looking for a gift here for my husband, and so I was like checking out the top 10 perfume for men, and of course the one that I want is not on this list, so I don't know. But I'm gonna just stick to what you know I know. So yeah, so in here they have lots and lots of variety and different brand and stuff like Boss, Lacoste, Prada, what is that word? Givenchy or whatever, Million, yeah. So one thing when you start to smell this thing, when you smell too many perfume in a short time, I'm telling you, you're become confused. I'm telling you, I don't know what to pick. Guys, one gift down and many to go. Okay guys, more shopping. Guys, I finally got my sunglasses that I've been wanting to get. So I'm gonna put it on, guys. Show y'all. Love it. You guys know burgundy is my favorite color, so absolutely love these shades. Okay, guys, I just came from Gap and now I'm really tired and hungry, honestly. Okay, so if nowhere outside Tanger don't have a lineup, I don't know what is giving away over Chick-fil-A, or is it because it is newly open, but there's always a lineup. I want to say lineup, I mean lineup to go outside, and even though it's cold, the people them still stand up there waiting. I have to say though, the line does move fast. Um, and today I decided to try the Southwest spicy chicken salad. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. It tastes so good with my avocado dressing. Mmm, so good. Love, love, love it. My lunch. Oh, yeah, yes, so nice. Yeah, guys. Today was a good day, or should I say a good couple hours by myself. Now I have to go home. Okay, guys, now that I am home, back to reality. I'm gonna try to clean the kids' room with them. So, this is the kids' room. Oh my goodness. Just look at this disaster. So, I'm going to try to do something in this room today. You can't stay, so no, so Christmas I come. Okay, take off everything off your bed, everything, um even the sheet. Yeah, and this one too. Food Jojo. And stuff in on the bed.
Jojo. Also you too.
All right. Let's stop the blame game and clean up the place. Okay, guys. So I bought this one on Shein. So it is yeah, actually, it's like a game.
Yeah, it's been a while.
You like it, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it just comes with like a fitted sheet and two pillowcases. Yeah.
So.
Okay, let's put this one.
Okay.
So put the corner up there so first. Oh my goodness, look at this. All this to clean up.
It looks fire.
It does, let's see.
Big gamer.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, so just put your pillow up there now. And then I'm gonna throw up some stuffies that you can just put them in order. Yeah, that's a good idea, Joe. Okay, so let me fix your stuffies up good. Okay, guys, so I bought these
looking stickers.
Mario wall stickers. So yeah, so you can just make a pattern on the wall there, Joe, with them. Yeah, what's that, the flower pot? Yeah. Who is that? Huh?
The red shell is powerful because the green shell is never powerful. It just hits people. But the red shell, it, when it sees them, it's like I'm after them. Okay. So the red shell is after them.
Okay, guys, so this is how JoJo gaming is going. Okay, it's very cool and very nice up here. Yeah. All right, that's it. Okay, so now we gotta do the bottom bed, which is for Mickey. Let's go do Mickey. Okay, guys, so this one is for Michaela. Whoa.
Let's take out this.
Wow, Mickey, it's so beautiful. Look. Wow, it's nice. Yeah.
Is it mine?
Okay, we're gonna put it on your bed, Mickey.
On your bed? Where's the sticker, honey?
We're gonna put your stickers after. Oh, so how does the unicorn go? This way?
You want me to help?
Sure. Why not? Oh yeah, you can see the unicorn now, yeah.
You're dipping on the sticker. You're just dipping.
Okay, guys, just gonna pack these books up here, and I'm almost finished. Okay, that's good. Put these little ink for in.